This is it. This is literally it, guys. This is it. This is the ebook that I've been working on. It's called Three.js Essentials.
Welcome to the digital universe. Today, we're diving into the world of 3D web graphics with Three.js. This isn't just about pixels and polygons. It's about bringing your imagination to the third dimension, right here on the web. With Three.js, we can create intricate 3D scenes, dynamic animations, and even immersive games. And the best part? It all runs smoothly in your browser. No plugins or downloads needed. Three.js is a powerful JavaScript library that brings 3D life to the web. It lets you create detailed scenes, animations, and even games, all running smoothly in your browser. No plugins, no downloads, just pure creativity and code. Getting started with Three.js is as easy as including a script tag in your HTML. But the real magic? It's in the code you write next. Visit the official Three.js website and download the latest version of the library. Once you have it, include it in the head of your HTML document with a script tag. Now let's get our hands dirty with a bit of coding. Open up your go-to text editor and create a new HTML file. Inside the body of your HTML, set up a script tag. This is where you'll be writing your Three.js code. To ensure everything is set up correctly, let's write a simple console log inside our script tag. If you see your message pop up in the browser console, you're good to go. You've just taken your first step into the world of Three.js. Now let's set up our first scene together. First, we'll create a scene, then add a camera and a light. Next up, a geometric cube. With just a few lines of JavaScript, watch as our cube comes to life, spinning in the browser. Creating a scene in Three.js is like setting the stage for your 3D performance. It's the world where your objects live, interact, and move around. It's as simple as declaring a new scene object, a plain canvas waiting for your creativity. Next, we add a camera. Just like in the real world, the camera determines our point of view. We'll use a perspective camera, which mimics the way the human eye sees. We set its position and point it towards the center of our scene. But what's a scene without light? Let's illuminate our world with an ambient light, which gives a soft glow to everything, and a point light, which acts like a bulb, casting shadows and highlights. Now for the star of the show, a geometric cube. With Three.js, creating 3D objects or meshes is a two-step process. First, we define the shape, in this case, a box geometry or cube. Then we cover it with a material like a coat of paint. Combine the geometry and material, and voila, we have our 3D cube. With our cube in the spotlight, let's make it dance. We'll add a simple animation to make it spin. And just like that, your first 3D scene is alive and twirling. Feel free to pause and try it out. But why stop there? Let's dress up our cube with textures, making it truly ours. Textures are images draped over the surfaces of our 3D objects, giving them color, detail, and depth. You can use any image as a texture, from simple colors to complex patterns or even photos. To apply a texture, we'll first load the image using the texture loader function. Then we'll create a material, which is what gives our 3D object its appearance, and pass in our texture. Finally, we'll apply this material to our cube, and there you have it. Our cube, once plain and single-colored, is now vibrant and unique. Now let's make things even more interesting with animation. Animation in Three.js is all about making changes over time, and it's as simple as updating properties in our render loop. For instance, to make our cube spin, we can increment its rotation on each frame. And with a touch of animation, our creation spins endlessly, a digital planet in our digital universe. Code along and see your world turn. Feeling inspired? You're not alone. The Three.js community is a dynamic, thriving hub of creators and innovators, all passionate about crafting immersive 3D web experiences. Whether you're looking for comprehensive tutorials to sharpen your skills, or seeking inspiration from some of the most awe-inspiring projects, you'll find it all here. The community is a treasure trove of free resources, from detailed guides to sample codes. It's a place to learn, explore, and grow, all while pushing the boundaries of what's possible in the realm of 3D web graphics. So dive in. From virtual reality tours to interactive games and everything in between, your journey into the captivating world of Three.js is just beginning. And now, the challenge. Create your own 3D scene with Three.js and share it with us. Unleash your creativity and bring your visions to life in the digital realm. Remember, there's a whole community of fellow developers out there, ready to be amazed by your work. So dive in, experiment, and let your digital dreams take flight. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more adventures in coding. Until next time, keep coding in 3D.